Assalamu alaikum. This math for class 8, chapter 7 set. See the set of integers by which the numbers 346 and 556 are divided with the remainder 31 in each case are A and B. If the numbers are divided, then in each case there will be remainder 31. Express set A in set builder's form. See solution. Let the set of numbers greater than 31. Because remainder is 31, so let the number greater than 31. So, and common factors of first number is 346 minus 31 equal to 315. Now we have to find out the numbers will be 315, and we have to find out the factors of 315. Factors of 315: 1 multiply 315, 3 multiply 105, 5 multiply 63, 7 multiply 45, 9 multiply 35. Then factors will be greater than 31. The factors will be greater than 31. Here factors are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 35, 45, 63, 105, 315. But we have to take the factors greater than 31. So greater than 31 are 35, 45, 63, 105, 315. These are the factors of set A. The answer is the required set A equal to 35, 45, 63, 105, 315. Question B, find A intersection B. Now first we have to set we got in A. Now we have to find out B set. Statement you can write like this: the set of integers by which the numbers 346 and 556 are divided with remainder 31 in each case will be greater than 31 and be common factors of 346 minus 31, 315. We have got the factors of 315. Another number 556 minus 31 equal to 525. Now we have to find out the factors of 525. The statement is written here, you note this. Now factors of 525, 1 multiply 525, 3 multiply 175, 5 multiply 105, 7 multiply 75, 15 multiply 35. Factors greater than 31 will be 35, 75, 105, 175, 525. Set B will be this. The factors greater than 31. And as set we got in A. In A we got 35, 45, 63, 105, 315. This is written here as set. Now A intersection B. First write A set, then intersection mark, and write B set. And for intersection we have to take only common one. Here common 35, here is also 35, and 105 and 105. These two numbers are common. So common numbers are 35 and 105. Therefore intersection B equal to 35 and 105. C. Show A intersection B in Venn diagram and write the subsets of A intersection B. We got set A equal to 35, 45, 63, 105, 315, and B equal to 35, 75, 105, 175, 500. So Venn diagram is like this. Two sets. For two sets we have to draw two circles inside the square, and this is universal set, full square one. In A set we got For asset we got 35, 45, 63, 105 and 315, and in B set we got 35, 75, 105, 175, 525, and here in both the circle we are getting 35 and 105 common. So 35 and 105 common is intersection B equal to 35, 105. We got it in B equation also. From B we got intersection B equal to 35, 105. Now we showed it in the Venn diagram. Now we have to find out subset of 35 and 105. Here is two numbers. The formula is 2n. In the place of n there are two numbers, so we have to write 2 square equal to 4. There will be 4 subsets. Altogether 4 subsets there. 35, 105 is written here, and 135, 105, and another one is null set. This is the answer. You note down, see these questions, and you have to note this. And another, I showed you one diagram here, this Venn diagram. This is universal set. 3 circle, 1 circle for P, 1 circle for Q, and 1 circle for R. If we ask you what is the set P, in P circle we are getting A, B, C, D. Set P equal to A, B, C, D. What is the set Q? In Q circle we are getting B, C, E, F. Set Q equal to B, C, E, F. Set R equal to what? In circle R we are getting C, D, F, G. These 4 in R circle, set R equal to C, D, F, G. This, and set U equal to what? Set U equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H also. H also U equal to this. So question C. What are the elements of set A? I told you that. See, set A, B, C, D. Set A equal to A, B, C, D. P intersection Q what? See, this is P and this Q. Both intersect here, and in intersection we are getting B and C. This is P circle and this is Q intersect here, and P intersection Q we are getting B and C. You can write P intersection Q equal to BC. Another one, P union R equal to what? This is P set, this is R set. In P we are getting A, B, C, D, and in R we are getting C, D, F, G. Therefore, P union R equal to, except this E. E is out of E and H out of P and R circle. This E and H out of P and R circle. In the P and R circle we are getting A, B, C, D, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This, see this P union R equal to A, B, C, D, F, G, except E and H. U equal to what? U equal to all the numbers what is inside the square. Inside the square there are all the letters C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H also, U equal to this. P union R prime equal to what? We are getting P union R equal to A, B, C, D, F, G. E and H left. This E and H, this under universal set. So excluding P and R set, we are getting EH. This EH will be P union R prime. This you note carefully. Thank you.